It's the most wonderful time of the year, and we are about to make someone's day even more wonderful by letting them know that they have won an APQS Millie valued at $22,300. Let's give the winner a call. Hi, is Cheryl-Anne there, please?
Just a moment, please. Hello?
Hey, Cheryl-Anne, this is Dawn Cavanaugh with APQS Quilting.
Yes?
I just wanted to let you know that you are the grand prize winner in our APQS Quilt Forever Contest.
Oh my gosh, I won a Millie?
You've won a Millie!
Oh my goodness!
You are the winner!
Oh my God! That's amazing!
I'm so happy for you. That's great. You're a quilter.
Oh yes, I have a Lenny.
Oh yeah, you have a Lenny. How wonderful. Well, you'll be able to upgrade to a Millie. How exciting for you.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe it!
Yes. We're so
My
happy.
sister's sitting here looking dumbfounded.
Doesn't know what to say. Oh, that's so
No,
wonderful.
she doesn't. No. Wow, this is amazing.
Well, I'm so happy for you. It's a great way to celebrate the holiday.
Oh, it definitely is. Oh
Wonderful.
my gosh. I can't believe it.
I know, it's so exciting. And I'm thrilled to be able to let you know the good news. I'm so happy that you answered your phone.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
You are welcome. Well, I tell you what, it's the weekend now, but we'll get in touch with you early next week to iron out all of the details, and we'll get Millie on its way up to you.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm so excited.
Congratulations, Cheryl-Anne.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, how wonderful. Cheryl-Anne is going to be able to put Millie to great use. We're so happy for you. Be sure to enter our Quilt Forever contest next time, because we might be calling you.